Good morning YouTube. I'm back again with another unboxing video. This time with a way smaller box. Before we find out what's inside this tiny box, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done yet, and also the bell button to get notification if I have new video out. This is the third generation Moto360 Smartwatch from Motorola. It has been on sale for the last 2 weeks everywhere. I bought this from B&H for $199, $100 off from its original price. This steel gray version comes with 2 straps. One brown leather strap, and one black silicone strap. It also comes with USB charging cradle, and of course a thank you note, manuals and 1-year warranty. Before setting up this smartwatch, it needs to be charged first. Setup process is easy. Make sure you have Wear OS on your smartphone installed already. Just follow the instructions on your smartwatch and on your phone, and you're good to go. And by the way, what I like about Android smartwatch is it works both on Android and on iOS. Now that we're all set, let's link this smartwatch with the Google Fit account. If you make it this far, please consider subscribing, like, comment, and share this video. Also, feel free to follow me on my other social media. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you all on my next one.